Hi, I'm Liz, GetSetup's Content Manager. I'm here to share with you why the Social Hour on Mindful Journaling for Wellness can be a great resource for both writers and your average person. So, join us to learn a bit more about how journaling for wellness can be a great way to check in with yourself, increase self-compassion, and help you release stress. During this social hour, you'll have a chance to interact with your peers and form new friendships as you discuss different writing techniques that work best for you. You'll be able to explore and expand on unique practices for mindful journaling, and you'll be able to find ways to grow your own personal journal and writing practices. This is a great way to help you learn how to use writing to release stress and increase your self-compassion. So, come and join our class and learn with other members of a similar mind a bit more about how mindful journaling can help you increase your own self-awareness through writing. We look forward to seeing you in a Get Set Up community activity here soon. Thanks.